This year, resolve to grow. Did you know that gardening is the #1 hobby in the United States? Gardening helps to improve your body, mind, diet, and so much more. We will be sharing many reasons why this year you should choose gardening as your New Year's resolution and resolve to grow. Most of us love our salads but don't put much thought into the lettuce. But did you know that the health benefits of lettuce abound? They include helping lower cholesterol levels, protecting neurons, moderating sleep, controlling anxiety, reducing inflammation, and providing a constant supply of antioxidants. Lettuce was first cultivated by the Egyptians thousands of years ago. The Egyptians used the seeds to produce oil and also utilized the leaves of this useful vegetable. The plant also had cultural and religious significance in ancient Egypt, as it was considered to be sacred. Later, the Greeks and Romans also cultivated this crop. It was in the period between the 16th and 18th century that different types of lettuce were developed. This was due to the discovery that a particular subspecies could cross-pollinate with other subspecies. During medieval times in Europe, lettuce was considered to possess medicinal qualities, which was mentioned in several medieval texts. Lettuce was prescribed for disturbed blood pressure, loss of appetite, insomnia, and was used as a tonic for the intestines and the digestive system. Veggie fact. According to the USDA, 100 grams of green leaf lettuce contains about 2.9 grams of carbohydrates and 15 calories. Wow, who knew? Lettuce possesses anti-inflammatory properties that will help in controlling inflammation. In experimental models, lettuce extracts have shown significant controlling power over inflammation induced by biocatalysts, although more research is needed to bolster these results. Neurons are brain cells that form physical connections to make up memory. The death of neurons in particular connections or circuits can result in the loss of memory. In some extreme cases, significant neuronal death can result in onset diseases like Alzheimer's. According to an animal study, the lettuce extract exhibit antioxidant effects, reduce oxidative stress, and may help provide neuroprotective benefits. However, further research is needed. Lettuce can be beneficial in lowering high cholesterol levels that often lead to cardiovascular diseases and other dangerous conditions. A study was conducted on rodents to test the impact of lettuce consumption on fat and cholesterol. The results indicated a significant reduction of cholesterol levels as compared to the mice that weren't fed lettuce. One of the major traditional uses of lettuce in Unani medicine was as a sleep inducer. Research into the extracts of lettuce resulted in the isolation of a depressant chemical. This chemical, when administered in experimental animals, showed significant sedative effects. Published in the journal Ancient Science of Life Journal, one study stated that lettuce possesses antioxidants with significant free radical scavenging capabilities. Antioxidants are a wide range of biochemicals mostly found in our diet. They are also very necessary for human health and disease prevention. Antioxidants act as a barrier to free radicals, which are produced during the cellular metabolism. These free radicals can attack healthy tissues, cells, and DNA inside them. They can often cause healthy cells to mutate into cancer cells. Antioxidants, on the other hand, counteract these free radicals and neutralize them before the free radical attack can even take place. neurological properties of lettuce, as mentioned earlier, have long been suggested during ancient times and the Middle Ages in medical treatises, such as the Unani system. A 2012 research paper published in the Asian Pacific Journal of Tropical Disease has led to the conclusion that lettuce possesses anti-anxiety properties. When lab animals were given lettuce extracts, their locomotive activity was reduced, suggesting implications in the human populations. So that's just a few of the amazing reasons you should resolve to grow lettuce. It's fun, tasty, and healthy. If you have any questions, we'd love to help. Email us at questions@stutzmans.com and we'll be happy to assist. As a bonus, we've included a delicious recipe for Asian lettuce wraps in the comments below. Not only is it tasty, your friends and family will love it too. We hope this video has inspired you to resolve to grow. Click the subscribe button and you'll be in the know with videos about gardening, decorating, and even more. For updates on everything happening at Stutzmans and a few giggles, like us on Facebook.